Today, we are breaking down a recipe that is going to completely revolutionize your meal prep. I'm talking about the buckwheat honey power bowl. It's delicious, it's efficient, and it is absolutely packed with nutrients. So let's dive right in. You know the feeling, right? It's the middle of the day, you're starving, and you either grab something fast and unhealthy, or you're stuck with that same old sad salad you've been eating for what feels like an eternity. Finding the time to make something that's both exciting and good for you, well, it can feel like a real uphill battle. Well, guess what? This Power Bowl is the answer you've been looking for. It's designed specifically for easy batch cooking, which means you can knock out a few days' worth of incredible lunches all in one go. This is your blueprint for a healthier and way, way tastier week. Okay, so every great bowl has to start with a great base. For this one, we're building it on some hearty, toasted buckwheat and perfectly roasted vegetables. Let's break down how to prep these two core components. Cooking perfect buckwheat is so simple. First, you're going to rinse the groats under some cold water, then just let them simmer in a little broth for about 10 to 12 minutes until they're nice and tender. And the final touch? Just fluff them up with a fork to get that perfect, light, separate texture. Now, let's talk about that first step, rinsing. I know, you might be tempted to skip it, but trust me, this is a non-negotiable, crucial move. Rinsing gets rid of a natural compound that can make buckwheat taste a little bitter. It also washes off all that excess starch, which is the absolute secret to getting perfectly separate, fluffy grains instead of, a big mushy clump. For the veggies, we're using what I like to call the toss and roast method, and it really could not be easier. You just toss your chopped veggies, we're talking Brussels sprouts, carrots, bell peppers, in some olive oil, salt, and pepper, and then you just let the oven do all the hard work. It is hands-off cooking at its absolute best. So the secret here is high heat. You want to get your oven preheated to a nice and hot 400 degrees Fahrenheit, that's 200 Celsius. After about 18 to 22 minutes, that high temperature is what's going to give the veggies those delicious caramelized edges and really bring out their natural sweetness. All right, our foundation's ready to go, and now it's time for the magic. We're moving on to the part that takes this bowl from just good to, oh my gosh, this is amazing, the flavor-packed buckwheat honey glaze. Just look at this incredible lineup. We're going to whisk together buckwheat honey, apple cider vinegar, some Dijon mustard, fresh garlic, and smoked paprika. And hey, if you like a little heat, throw in some chili flakes. It creates this perfect balance of sweet, tangy, and savory. It's just so good. And this explains exactly why that buckwheat honey is the star of the show. This isn't your regular everyday honey. It has this really rich, malty, almost molasses-like flavor that can totally stand up to all the other bold ingredients. It's the perfect bridge between those sweet roasted veggies and the earthy buckwheat. Okay, we've got our fluffy buckwheat, our caramelized veggies, and that incredible glaze. Now for the best part, putting it all together. Building your Power Bowl is all about layering these amazing flavors. Start with a nice big scoop of that buckwheat base. Then pile on your roasted veggies and whatever protein you're using, like chickpeas. Next, you're going to drizzle that beautiful glaze all over everything. And finally, add your finishing touches. And this is where you can have some fun and really make it your own. The recipe suggests chickpeas or maybe some grilled chicken for protein, but you can totally experiment. For toppings, toasted pumpkin seeds give it a great crunch. Fresh parsley adds a little brightness, and a bit of crumbled goat cheese? Oh yeah, that brings a creamy, tangy finish that's just perfect. So not only does this bowl taste incredible, but it's also working hard for your body. Let's just quickly break down some of the health benefits that make this a true power bowl. I mean, this table says it all. You've got buckwheat, which is a total powerhouse. It's gluten-free and loaded with protein and magnesium. Then there's the buckwheat honey, bringing a ton of antioxidants. The chickpeas give you that excellent plant-based protein and fiber that keeps you full. And of course, all those roasted veggies are just packed with essential vitamins. So the main thing to take away from all this is that it's not just one rigid recipe. It's a flexible framework. You can swap out the veggies depending on what's in season, change up the protein, play with the toppings. Think of it as your reliable game plan for a week of super satisfying, healthy meals. So the only question left is, what's your Power Bowl gonna look like? Now that you have this simple and delicious blueprint, the possibilities for your weekly meal prep are pretty much endless.